Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to select a subject in an image in Affinity Designer. So let's say you have an image, and I'm going to use this one here with the person in space. And let's say I want to select the astronaut, right, out of this image. Just to click on the image, go ahead and click on the Canva AI tool and then select the subject, right? You will see right here, it's going to automatically detect the subject as a person. You're in the foreground, you select that, it's going to do its thing with the AI, and then you'll be able to copy that or move it. As you can see, I move it and it's out of the image, right? If I wanted to Control X and cut it out, I can do that, and I can put it into another image, as you can see right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for how you can easily use the AI to select a subject, this is how you can easily do it and remove it out of an image. That's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys.